Hello everyone, welcome to Gizmochina. I'm Kieran. Realme has finally launched the Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro today, and we were the first ones to get our hands on these two models. If you missed the launch, that's okay. Let me give you a quick overview of the Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro and show you what's exactly updated on the new Realme 8 series. Both Realme 8 models come in the classic Realme yellow box. Inside the box, the Realme 8 comes with a 30-watt charger, while the Pro comes with a 65-watt charger. You'll immediately feel how thin and light the two phones are when you hold them in your hands. The Realme 8 Pro weighs only 176 grams and is 8.1 millimeters thick, which is a bit thinner than the standard 8. As you can see from these figures alone, such a compact body on a smartphone is rare these days. Both phones share the same style of the lens module on the back, with a rectangular quad camera design on the top left corner. What really makes them different is their primary cameras. On the Realme 8 Pro, it surprisingly features a 108 megapixel sensor with an f1.88 aperture. As for the Realme 8, the primary camera is pretty decent at 64 megapixel resolution, and both of them come with an 8 megapixel wide-angle camera, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and another 2 megapixel black and white lens. In the design department, the main difference between these two models distinguishing one from another is in the material and the processing of the back cover. The standard 8 model comes with a split design and a splicing process on the back. The area below the lens and the slogan on the Realme 8 shines a lot in different lights, while the rest of the back cover looks a bit low profile. The Realme 8 looks pretty aggressive. The lens module and the slogan are made of a special fluorescent material, which allows them to glow in the dark. The rest of the back cover uses the AG crystal process, which is frosted with a larger grain and looks shiny. It's not common to see such intricate processing and unique design on other mid-range phones. Both the Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro appear more youthful and vibrant. This is a really impressive improvement over the previous Realme models. The processor used in the Realme 8 is the MTK Helio G95, and the Pro version features the Snapdragon 720G. Neither phone has a super strong processor, and both are targeted at the mid-range segment. We'll be putting up tests on performance and cameras in the following video, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to our upcoming videos. The screen specs are identical on both the Realme 8 models. Both come with a 6.4-inch 1080p AMOLED display. The touch sampling rate is 180 Hz and the peak brightness is 1000 nits. And thanks to the use of the AMOLED display, both of them come with an in-display fingerprint reader. Apart from the lack of a high refresh rate, this screen should be considered okay for a mid-range phone. After all, there are plenty of phones using LCD screens with higher power consumption and weaker color presentation and contrast. Note that because they're powered by different chipsets, the Realme 8's HDR video decoding is not as good as the Realme 8 Pros. When playing back HDR sources, the Realme 8 powered by the MTK chipset would look darker and less colorful than the 8 Pro. The Realme 8 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh battery, while the Realme 8 features an even larger 5000 mAh battery. Perhaps these battery capacities might not come as shocking to you, but consider that they weigh only 177 grams, and it's surprising that they can still cram in such a large battery with such constraints. The charging speed of the Realme 8 is 30 watts, but on the Realme 8 Pro, it's 50 watts. The included 65-watt charger for the Pro model is probably a nice touch to allow you to charge other devices. There is only one single speaker, but we have also got good news in the audio department. A headphone jack is reversed, and it is high-res audio certified. Both of them come with the same 3-card slot for 2 SIM cards and another SD card. What's disappointing about the two models is the lack of infrared and NFC. As for their operating system, both of them are running the Android-based Realme UI, which has a close relationship with the Color OS developed by Oppo. The system runs pretty fluently, and we could spot no obvious discomfort during our time with the devices. So that was our first impression of the Realme 8 and 8 Pro. Both of them look nice with a good feel in the hands. As mid-range phones, their design definitely makes them stand out from most rivals. How do you like the two models? And what else do you want to know in our next comparison video? Please tell us your thoughts and views down below. And don't forget to stay tuned to our channel as we'll bring a detailed comparing of their performances, cameras, along with a battery and charging test. Thanks for watching. I'm Kieran from Gizmochina, and we'll see you next time.